Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be slaying a wig. So pro tip, if you are afraid of hot combs like most of us are, go ahead and do this step before you put the wig on. This is going to save you the agony or the fear of burning yourself. Of course, you guys know I'm going to slay and style my wig on my head, but I know a lot of you are so scared or so fearful. Also, you can get like a mannequin head and that'll help. This wig comes courtesy of the brand Dola and I am absolutely in love with her so far. Also, you guys see how much lace there was? It literally was covering my eyes. I did go ahead and trim that down just so that I can be able to see, and of course I'm going to continue to flat iron and hot comb my wig on my head. So a few deets on this wig. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you. This one is a breathable fake scalp straight transparent lace wig. The dimensions are 13 by 6 and of course they pre-bleached it for you, and they even added the elastic band. This one is absolutely perfect. If you really pay attention to how I slid the wig on and how it's sitting on my head right now, there is no bleach. There's literally just an elastic band holding this wig onto my head, and it definitely fits glueless. You do not need any gel, you do not need any glue, you don't need anything to bond this wig down. It is the perfect fit for me, but of course you guys know I'm gonna go ahead and style her and bond her down just because it's a habit. So one thing I do want to mention is I am going to be slaying her and bonding with a new product from the brand ORS. That part is not sponsored, but I'm definitely wanted to let you guys know that you can definitely wear this one without any glue. Okay, so I've seen these a couple times on YouTube, and of course I had to go ahead and order a few bottles. This is the ORS brand, which if you're an OG to the hair community, you know we've been rocking with this brand and their products for years, especially in the natural community. But they have come out with a new line. This one is the Fix It, and it's a gel. I believe it's called the Grip Gel for an ultra hold, and then the Fix It Super Hold Spray. These are very comparable to the Got to Be Glued spray, so I kind of wanted to go ahead and try it and see if it was better, if it was worse, if it was worth trying out for you guys. And this definitely was my first time. Now you guys know I'm a Got to Be Glued spray kind of girl, so I did just want to go in and try just the spray, but to be fair, I did want to go ahead and use the products together. So all I did was I applied a layer of the olive oil grip gel ultra hold. I kind of let that get a little bit tacky. I sprayed a thin coat of the super hold spray on top of that, and I was waiting for it to go transparent, but honestly it was taking a long time. Baby girl is asleep right next to me, so I didn't want to use a blow dryer, but I was like, you know what, it's not going transparent. I don't know if it's supposed to like dry transparent, if it's gonna stay white. So I did let it like air dry maybe for about 45 seconds, maybe a minute, and then I applied the lace wig on top of it. There is some areas where I felt like I didn't get the gel or the cream and the spray combo, so I'm going in here and touching it up and making sure it's super secure, because again, I'm not going to be using a blow dryer because I'm a mama. But yeah, at this point I kind of felt like, okay, it feels like it's bonding, it feels good. I definitely would go in and bond it down with like a hair scarf or something like that, but I just wanted to go ahead and see if it was going to tug and move as I did my other steps, and it definitely didn't. So I went ahead and opted for a little bit of baby hair. You guys know I like to do like 2 little swoops, one above each of the arches of my eyebrow, and that's kind of a marker or a rule of thumb if you're interested in, you know, doing baby hair like this. Kind of you know, just go like right above the arch of your eyebrow as the center point, and that's kind of how I keep them from being as even as possible. Of course, I love to use my foam lotion as my edge control of choice. The bond from RS was actually amazing. I really liked it. I love how the spray was very direct. It didn't like spray everywhere, it sprayed exactly where you aimed it. That was a plus. As far as the actual hair goes, of course it was a dream to work with. I did go ahead off camera before this and I co-washed it and let it dry, air dry for like a week before I was able to get back and style it. It gave me no problems, no tangling, no shedding, no crazy smells or anything like that, so I was definitely pleased with it. Okay, so this is the finished result. This is pretty much a close-up of the hairline. I think I did a pretty good job. All I did was co-wash the wig. I did not even have to bleach the knots, and I'm absolutely pleased with it. As far as the install goes, this definitely was a glueless install, or you guys seen that I pretty much didn't use glue, but I did try new products. So the products I tried today were the ORS brand. You guys, I'm pretty sure if you know hair, you know, you're familiar with this brand, especially if you've ever gotten into hair care. Now, I've never heard of this or seen this, but pretty much it's the olive oil fix it no grease cream styler infused with olive oil. Of course, I'll have it listed in the description box, but I got this one, and that pretty much is like a cream or a gel, and then this one here is pretty much the companion of that one, and it's the super hold spray. So this is supposed to be a similar, pretty much a similar situation to the Got to Be Glued, and I pretty much wanted to test it out for myself and see if it was comparable. I will be honest and say that I really like the hold on this one. The true test is going to be me going to sleep at night, taking my shower in the morning, and seeing how it holds up. I find that with the Got to Be Glued, if I do a nice thick coat of it, like the gel, and then I do the spray, and then I apply it to my hairline, and then spray on top of it and go in with the blow dryer, it'll last a full day, even like including a shower. But if I just do one thin coat and let that air dry on the lace, it doesn't last through my shower, it'll lift. And with this one, I kind of wanted to do a super strong hold, so I kind of did the same technique where I pretty much did a thick layer or a nice size layer of the what is this called? I did a thick layer of this one, and it, like I said, it's a cream styler. I let that air dry a little bit for like a minute or two, and then I sprayed a coat of this. Now I'm definitely gonna play with these products. You guys will see these on my product, or on my products, you'll see these on my channel quite a few times, or quite a bit coming up, just because I want to try this by itself and then try this by itself. Like, I'm not even sure if this is like actually gonna stick by itself or vice versa. And I do have my baby here. I'm trying to put her to sleep, but yeah, I'm gonna try all of these interchangeably and see what works best. But for my first try, I really wanted to use both and see. And I feel like if you've ever used Got to Be Glued, you know when you apply it, it makes the wig feel tight on your head. Not like too tight, but it makes it feel like it's hugging your head the way a wig should, like it's truly installed. And that's the same feeling I get here. Like I said, I've tugged and I've tugged and pulled on this wig, and I definitely don't feel like it's going anywhere. It definitely worked. I just want to see how long it's gonna last. So let me know if you've tried these and your thoughts on them. Now, as far as the actual wig goes, this is her. I went ahead and straightened her off camera. I kind of felt like you guys really didn't care to see this. And of course, I did use my heat protectant, but this one did come with a bang. I personally am not fond of these, but pretty much you would kind of install it like so, and then you kind of finesse it around. You probably will want to pull some of this hair in front like so, and then kind of finesse it. So you guys see, it's like an instant bang, and you guys can kind of see, you really can literally see that it's on there. So you kind of want to finesse it and kind of cover and pull some of this hair in front. But you guys see that I literally just did this live on camera. If I take my time and really get it worked in there, this is gonna look pretty decent, especially if you don't want to commit to the bang. Let me know if you've ever tried one of these clip-on bang situations. I'm not mad at it. Like, I don't know if I would actually commit to this like this and actually wear it out, but I'm definitely not mad at it, especially for the sake of not having to commit to a look. And as you guys can see, I was able to just pop it right out, and it came out and my hair is still popping. So again, this wig, this hair came from Dola. I absolutely love this wig. I believe this is my first time working with this company before, and I absolutely love it. I don't have any complaints about the hair. Again, the true test with hair is to go ahead and wash or co-wash it and see how it holds up. And I definitely can say that it did great. No crazy smells, no excess tangling or shedding or anything like that. So make sure you check this company out. All of the details on this wig are in the description box, including links, and also including a list of everything I used to complete this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.